So this is a good segue to remind us, and for me to remind you specifically, that there's a nice acronym to use with mindfulness or meditation practice, and it is R.A.I.N. R-A-I-N. Okay? So R stands for recognize. So you name, you recognize what is there. And like our focusing sessions are that, right? Like we're really recognizing and naming what is there for us. A is for allow. So you don't have to fix it. You don't have to change it. You don't have to push it away. You can just let it be there, and it can be there with other things. And you can almost relate to it like you would just clouds, as I always say, right? Like passing of clouds. I is for identification or investigate, excuse me, I is investigate, and you look further into it, right? So here it may be that you think about, okay, how does it feel? Sometimes I invite you guys to think about, how does this feel in your body? Or what do you notice about your feeling? But it may also just be like, what is the narrative of this thing that's coming up for me? And can I unpack this a little more? Do I have to believe what it is that I'm hearing inside of my mind? And then the last one is non-identification. And this is really important. So the best way for me to describe it is to kind of just show you. So instead of saying, I am sad or I am scared, you might say, I notice sadness. I'm aware of fear. And like, if you try that on for yourself, you probably will even notice it feels different to say it, right? Like there's a different way that you relate to it when you don't own it as this is you, this is your identity. This is just a thing that you're noticing, right? So hopefully that R.A.I.N acronym can be something that you guys hold on to and can take with you in future times.